Let's first call the Streamlit UI from the PyCharm terminal. It will take a few seconds to load. Do note that this RAG based chatbot is designed specifically to ingest Healthline URLs only and respond accordingly to user queries. It doesn't use any other external sources to generate its responses, thus, keeping it grounded to the uploaded URLs only. As you can see, it supports up to 10 Healthline URLs at a time. It flags a warning if we have two or more duplicate URLs. Let's take a Healthline article about the DASH diet. As soon as I click the Validate and Submit URLs button, it flashes a message stating that I have entered a duplicate URL. Now let's add another URL. This time, we will go with the better known cousin of the Dash diet, which is the Mediterranean diet. I'm going to go ahead and paste the Healthline URL now. I will now click the Validate and Submit URLs button. What will happen now is that any older embeddings stored from previously validated URLs in the vector database will be cleared before the embeddings from these URLs get stored. The unstructured URL loader class is used from LangChain community, and then recursive character text splitter is used to split the content into chunks. And finally, the embeddings are stored in the Chroma vector store. As you can see, 40 chunks have been indexed. Now let's type our query to the chatbot. I'm going to ask the chatbot to expand the acronym DASH. I will also query it regarding the Mediterranean diet and meat consumption. Let's see what the bot has got to say. So, while answering it, we'll have the user query and the relevant retrieved chunks in its context. It will take a few seconds to display the response. As you can see from the response generated, it fetches the required information from the relevant chunks in the provided sources only and not from any other external source. We will go ahead and just do some spot checks and check if the answer is indeed picked from the sources for both our queries, that is, for the dash as well as the meat consumption part. Let's move on to the next query, which will be about summarizing the content in both the URLs. I'm going to go ahead and type out my query. I'm also going to ask the bot to strictly restrict its response to under 500 words. There you go, voila. We got a nice and concise summary of the benefits of both the diets as well as the differences between them. You can go through them and compare the response with the actual content. I have used Grow Cloud to call the LLM model for inferencing. We can use Ollama as well to run it locally. We can also experiment with other open source LLM models as well as other text embeddings.